I want to give this emergency video. So, watching here right now because it's very important, Bratan. What happened until now? Maybe I have to delete this line so you don't get confused. I show you right now. We broke down from this rising wedge. You see, I made right now so dot lines that's not so visible. You see this rising wedge we broke to the downside, and right now we reached also perfectly our price target. It's the bottom of the wedge, so everything perfectly worked out. I told you already as we broke this blue line down, I told you we can start to short down here. So if you shorted from here already, congratulations, Bratan. Or if you shorted from here, you also made a lot of profits. At least, let me measure it, at least around 2%, 10x 20%, 20x over 100, 40%. Let me show you another very, very important important line right now, because after our rising wedge, what we formed, you saw it already, we formed a falling wedge, and this is a bullish price target, right? So, Bratan, be aware. So we could see here right now a positive shit flow coming to us, right? So you see here, we have here perfectly, we have here several touch points, 1, 2, 3. Here we have some touch points, here we have some touch points. So it's not the best perfect line, but I think this is enough. It's a falling wedge, and as soon as we're breaking it to the upside, it's a bullish pattern. We can start to long Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Apecoin, all these altcoins, right? We see 1 hourly is also oversold, 15-minute is slightly oversold, and 4 hourly is neutral. So this speaks right now that also this bullish pattern that we could jump right now into a long already and made the stop loss slightly below down this line. So let me say at 19,750, for example, right now, or maybe 9,740, it depends where we are on the timeline. We make a long and a stop loss slightly below this line. Our price target is the top of the wedge, or falling of the wedge is always top of the wedge. From rising wedge is the bottom, from falling wedge it's the bullish pattern, it's top of the wedge, so around 20,450. So if we're breaking here above this line, let's say at above 20k, we can start immediately also here to long. First price up 20,140, next one 20,250, next one 20,320, next one is 20,390, and next one is 20,450. So on all 2%, 2.2%, 10x 22%, 20x 44% long opportunity. Or if for the professional ones, you already right now longing and make stop loss slightly below this line, it's not a financial advice, only my opinion. Then we have only potential trade of around, of around 2.7%, 10x 27, 20x average over 53% long opportunity. You see, it depends risk reward. If you're breaking here above this line, it's more it's like safer. It's not safer, but you understand me, right? But if we already here, we take more risk but also more reward. So in my opinion, this it's a bullish pattern. We are here oversold slightly, so therefore it's in my opinion a long opportunity with the stop loss slightly below this line. Where is a short opportunity? Short opportunity is very clear, Bratan. If you're breaking here below this white line, so if you're breaking, for example, below 90,750 if you're ranking below 9,750, we can start to short further Bitcoin. First price target, we can open a short, 9,618. Next one is 19,526, 19,412, 19,334, 19,175, and here our yellow line at 19k around 3.7%, 10x 37% short opportunity, 10x average 54% short opportunity. I extend this line, but I forget every time. So 54% short opportunity only in case if we break this line to the downside. In my opinion, right now it's a long opportunity with stop loss slightly below. So if we got stopped out here at 90,750 or 40, it depends where on the timeline, then we can switch quickly. Yes, we lose a little bit, but we can switch into a short then. You understand what I mean, right? Where we are trading, Bratan, on Bybit at the moment, you can use $4,620 as a bonus for trading. If you're trading through my affiliate link, after initial deposit, you get this bonus. If you don't have initial deposit, you still get free access to my Discord and Telegram channel absolutely for free if you're trading through my link, Bratan. Because, for example, this falling wedge, I told you already 2 hours ago before I go take a shit and showering and jerking in the shower. So therefore, Bratan, very, very clear opportunities. Obviously, if you break into the upside, we can further also long Ethereum Solana. If you break to the downside, we can short Ethereum Solana. Ethereum, quickly, let's go through the price target. So we are assuming right now, because we are in a bullish pattern technically, that we are in a bullish mode trader. Not all in all, we are in a bear market, but at the moment as a day trader. So in this moment, we can make some profits, in my opinion. So if we open right now, also long, it's also a possibility to open an Ethereum long. First price on 1,360. Next one is 1,377, 1,384, 1,390, and 1,400. 3.5%, and XR 35, 20, XR 70%. Very important. Take profits along the way up if you're longing, Bratan. And all I'm telling you here, it's not a financial advice, Bratan. Please do your own research. I tell you what I'm doing, what's my opinion. If we are breaking from this symmetrical from this falling wedge, which I showed you on Bitcoin, if we're breaking down, we can short also Ethereum. First price target 1,345, next one 1,333, 1,323, next one is 1,310, 1,298, 1,287, and then we have here our yellow line at around 1,268, 6.2% short opportunity, 10x 62, 20x over 100, 24% short opportunity if Bitcoin further dumping. But we are right now assuming that Bitcoin is pumping. Why? Because we are in a bull pattern, we are oversold. Ethereum, S&P 500, very interesting. We closed at 3,744 yesterday, but in the futures we are already slightly pumped at 3,748. So if we open 930 stock market like this, we will see pump in S&P 500, and what it means. Yes, you're right. We will also shit in the forest. No, we will also see a pump in the Bitcoin market. Here's also a very important. S&P 500 broke down from this rising wedge. You see, we broke down from this rising wedge. So technically, we should see a dump on the S&P 500. However, we are on the 1 hourly neutral. On the 50-minute we are oversold, and on the 4 hourly we are neutral. So we could see here also in the S&P 500, we could see easily here. I extend this line. Oh, not this one. Wait a minute. I extend this line. I show you what I mean. So we could see, even though we are in a bearish pattern, we could see S&P 500 retesting here this line to the upside. And we are and if we are retesting this line to the upside, this could be 2.6% pump. And if we see 2.6% pump in the stock market, this is like 10% or 20% pump in the Bitcoin market. So watch out, S&P 500. I know it's like an old grandpa. We don't have much interest for it, but we have to watch it, because if S&P 500 is pumping, Bitcoin's pumping. If S&P 500 dumping, Bitcoin's dumping. Watch out, 930 stock market will open. Watch out, please, for it. Also for the futures. Right now, technically speaking, in my opinion, we are in a bullish pattern at the moment, in a clear falling wedge. Very clear, a lot of touch points. So either we are longing right now, stop loss below this line, or we're longing if we're breaking here this line to the upside at 20k around. So very clear in my opinion. We are trading on Bybit, Bratan. Don't forget, if you get if you're trading through my affiliate link, don't forget to get access to my Discord and Telegram channel for free. It's very clear, Bratan. So, Bratishkas, I will go right now. I'm here right now in my hometown, and I will go right now and watch some places, where I first time, all this basic stuff like spitting, shitting, pissing, first time, bam. So this is very interesting here, because it's childhood, my childhood. So, but that's very clear. Thank you everyone who watching the like button. I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah.